immediate support.
Today we will discuss the Al-Khalid tank of Pakistan, which is named after Khalid bin Walid. Al-Khalid tank is the first indigenously developed and produced tank of Pakistan, which was developed with cooperation of Chinese Norinco, and ever since then, it has been the spearhead of the Pakistan Army's armor. So let's start. History. A joint development deal was signed with Pakistan in January 1990. Initial Chinese-built prototypes were tested in Pakistan in August 1991. Pakistan completed its manufacturing plant at Taxila in 1992. Pakistan spent more than $20 million over the next 8 years on the co-development of a model suitable for its needs and on creating a capability to manufacture it locally. The project director at Heavy Industries Taxila, HIT, Brigadier Nasir Mahmood, led Pakistan's first indigenously produced tank from conception to production. His team modified the tank to accept a foreign-built engine. Several different prototypes were evaluated. HIT began production of the Al-Khalid tank in 1999. A pilot batch of 15 tanks was inducted into the 31st Cavalry Regiment of Pakistan's Armored Corps on 20 July 2001. On 28 July 2020, a new and improved variant Al-Khalid 1 was inducted into service. Now we will only talk about the newer variant Al-Khalid 1. Armament. Al-Khalid 1 is armed with a 125mm smoothbore gun which is manufactured in HIT, and it can fire 125mm AFS and heat rounds. It can also fire depleted uranium armor-piercing rounds. The AFSD's round can effectively hit and penetrate 460mm of homogeneous armor, whereas the depleted uranium round called Nyaza can penetrate 560mm of rounded homogeneous armor. This tank can also fire the Russian At-11 anti-tank guided missile with an effective range of 5 km. This tank is equipped with a autoloader which enables the tank to fire at the rate of 9 rounds per minute. As secondary guns, this tank is also equipped with 12.7mm heavy machine gun with 1,500 rounds and 7.62mm light machine gun with 7,100 rounds. It is also equipped with Ukrainian Verta electro-optical jammer. Mobility. Al-Khalid 1, which was originally powered by an 1,200 horsepower Ukrainian 6-2 liquid-cooled diesel engine, which gave it a top speed of 70 km per hour and a power-to-weight ratio of 26.66. As the ongoing war in Ukraine escalates, sourcing engines from Ukraine is nearly impossible, so the new production units use a Chinese 1,300 horsepower engine and transmission, which are being used in the V4 MB, which were recently acquired by the Pakistan Army. Protection. Al-Khalid has modular composite armor and explosive reactive armor, nuclear biological chemical defenses, an effective thermal smoke generator, internal fire extinguisher, and explosion suppression system. The infrared signature of the tank is reduced by infrared reflective paint. Al-Khalid 1 is equipped with a newly developed indigenous explosive reactive armor, which is not only lightweight, but also more resistant to AFS's heat and HE-FEFS rounds. ARA is developed by Global Industrial Defense Solutions, GIDS, laser designators, and anti-tank guided missile tracking systems. SAGEM 3rd, generation thermal imagers, and improved air conditioning system. Today, Pakistan Army has around 500 Al-Khalid tanks in service and plan number are 600. Al-Khalid 2, and also in the development stage.